5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
Boy, siyempre gusto namin may kasama sa rides.
Tsaka tuturuan namin basketball.
Team girl. Gusto ko, maganda.
Team boy. Tama na sa lolo, pogi.
Team girl. Para may playmate na siya. Pinsan.
Halata naman sa dami. Kasi blooming si Shai. Sabi daw, may kasabihan daw kasi na kapag blooming yung buntes, girl daw.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today.
Team boy. I think the boy is going to step ahead dun sa magiging sibling niya. So take over responsibility and everything. So
it's nothing short of what I thought it'd be.
Baby girl on the way. Wala lang kasi gusto ko panganay ng ate ko, girl, kasi sa amin siya panganay. Responsable kapag girl lang panganay.
Basta, ang gusto lang naman namin healthy at saka girl.
Yeah, nakapink lang kami pero kahit ano.
Oo.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky today.
Sobrang saya namin kasi ikaw yung hiniling namin sa Diyos. Tulad ng mami mo, hiniling ko siya sa Diyos. Tapos pinag-pray ko din, pinag-pray namin na magkaroon ng baby, na ikaw. Kaya sobrang happy namin at saka gagawin namin lahat para sa'yo.
Guess it's my lucky day. Everything's going my way. And it feels so nice to say I'm feeling lucky.
Baby, sobrang excited na namin na makita ka. Lahat sobrang excited na sa'yo. Lahat na nandito sobrang excited. Sana healthy ka paglabas mo and lahat gagawin namin para sa'yo.